Hey everyone, the following video is going to show you how to start an image in Photoshop. So I've just simply opened up Photoshop. If I was going to open up an image, I would just simply go to File, Open, and open up that image. But we're going to start a new one. So I'm going to go to File, New. As soon as you do that, you're going to see a bunch of options. So first, top of the screen. Photoshop by default gives you a few options, like I can look at one of my saved images or recent. But if I wanted to use it, if I'm going to open up a photo or work with a photo, it gives me some options and some default settings here. Same with print, art and illustration, web, mobile. I want you to be able to do this by yourself and pick your own details based on what you're doing. Photoshop's trying to make it a little easy for you, but it's really good practice just to know what you want already. All right, so first thing we have here is width and height. So I'm just going to make up a width and height here. I'm just going to say 500 by 500 just because I'm just creating an image. But you should know the height and width of what you're doing. I always select pixels. I don't really mess with any of these others unless I have a specific need to. So we're going to use pixels. Orientation, this is a square, so it's not going to make a difference. We're not going to use artboards. Resolution. So this is where I need to know what am I doing with this image, right? If this is for the web or monitor, I can keep it at 72. If it's for a computer, I could bump it up to 150, but I'd usually just keep it at default 72. The only reason I really change this is if I'm going to print. Then what do? I bump it up to 300. All right, next, color mode. I'm going to keep this at RGB because this is going to be on a monitor or a phone or a web. But if I was going to print this, I would change it to CMYK, right? Keep it at 8-bit, keep background at white. And advanced options is really if you're trying to match a printer or something like that. So those are your basic options for starting an image. I'm going to click create. You can see I have a blank canvas to work with. Thank you.